This is how my cat takes a bath. She hates it. It's okay. It's a little hot in it, baby. Okay. Let me check it. Let me get some colder water. It's all right. It's all right. Stop. Stop. Let's get this water just right. This cat knew I was going to give her a bath today. She was hiding. I know. Sorry, that was a little warm. That was my fault. I know. Stop. You weren't gonna die, damn it. Sorry, bad word. Have to cut that out. Beep. It's all right. It's okay. It'll be over in just a minute. Whew. Oh, you put up a fight. You put up such a fight. Whew. You dirty girl. You dirty little girl. Girl, if you just wash yourself better, I wouldn't have to do this. Okay? I wouldn't have to do this. I know. I know it. It's okay. It's just a little bath. It's not going to kill you. It's not going to kill you. It might kill me, but it's not going to kill you. Got it, girl. My pretty baby Precious. Yeah. You're so strong. You can put up a fight better than anybody, yeah. But you live in that house. House kid, you gotta be clean. Yeah. You do better when you're... Can you see yourself in the camera, baby? Look at there. That's you. Okay. Do the hands. Good girl. Good girl. You're doing good. Good. Precious. That's my baby. Look at her. You're doing so good. Yeah. You're doing so much better. Maybe you like being on camera. Yeah. You're usually a lot meaner than this getting a bath. Good girl. I am proud of you. You're almost done. Put your legs in your belly. Your back end here. No. It's just the back end. Try to make you smell and look prettier. I'm going to wash your bath, your bed today. Oh, it isn't that bad. It isn't that bad. Mommy knows it's not that bad. Look at the belly. Look at the belly. Okay, as long as you can hang on to the edge of the sink, you're good to go, huh? You're okay with the end of the sink. Okay. Let me get a rinse, Kelly. Sit still, baby. Let me get you done. Let me get you done. It's one strong kitty cat right here. It's a good girl. That wasn't so bad, was it, baby? Oh gosh, that wasn't so bad, was it? You smell better, look better, feel better. Mom needs to get herself in a tub. Yeah, I need to get myself in a tub. Good girl. Good girl. Say hi. We're going to go ahead and get you dried off.